meet in the kawali. You know the kawali? Yes, the kawali. Okay, one by one first, okay? One by one. I think I have to kamay this one, you know? I have to wash my hands first before, you know, for the bacteria away.
Where's the mantika?
No, we have to prito it, you know, fry it, and then, you know, everything. Yeah, that's crazy, yeah. Yes, you know, there's a lot of water in here, huh?
Tapos you put, ano ka? Gata? Gata?
Gata, wala man tayong gata. Okay, we have to learn this, you know, culinary arts.
Culinary arts.
Culinary arts naman yung pagluluto. You know. Tita, bakit walang mantika? Sigurado ka? Oh, salat na lang hindi marunong.
Jo, sa tagal na namin kasama niya, siya na nagluluto, laging ganyan ang ginagawa. Eksperto na yan. Ikaw kakaumpisa mo palang hayop ka. Eh, nagre-reklamo ka na walang mantika.
Oh, I'm sorry. You know? Okay.
Say hi.
We have to do this.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi.
You too, you. You too. Me.
Sabi yan, hindi sa iba.
Okay, we have to...
For the first time, Jojo.
Start this one, okay?
Sabi ni mama mo, for the first time, nag-almusal daw sila ng adobong manok. Oh, tanghali ang manok.
Dinner na manok.
Dinner na manok. Ilutak ka ni Milso Isan na nagbatok na.
Yan, napapala. Buti nga.
Pamisikang mga na eh. Huwag kalakalyan ni Lola.
Ay, doon lang sila sa malaking bahay na stay lahat?
Hindi, doon sila sa tindahan. Wala na daw ba yun?
Wala na daw ba?
Sino tayo, balita?
After a moment.
After 10 minutes, we have to put the garlic and the onions, okay? Because we have to, the garlic should be brownish, okay? Not too gold, but brown, okay? Thank you. You're so great.
Boyabot mo. Ayan.
Oh, no, you're so baliktad. Okay, we have to set aside this one. Let's put the garlic and the onion. I think we should put first the onions.
Garlic.
No, I like onions. Because, you know, the garlic is, you know,
Ano?
just, just so you know. And then the onions. Because the onions is so smelly.
Is that the onion? The white one?
No,
I know that's the garlic.
The garlic.
Pinagsabay mo na sila.
It's okay.
Wala, ilagay mo na ha.
It's
Say
okay.
hi.
Hi.
Okay, we have to do this. Hoy, marunong naman ako magluto kahit paano, kaso pasam lang.
Pag nagpupunan ka.
Wala pa kailamanan, tita. Ako nagluluto ngayon, ha. Meron ka ba magic syrup dyan? Abot mo dito. Gagalit ako, eh. Ginagalit mo ko, eh. Mamaya, lagyan ko ng lason, eh.
Gagawin ko rin kakain yan.
Upload. O, tita, lagyan mo.
Hindi, ihalo-halo mo pa.
Hold this one and make camera.
Sige.